Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways. The crypto markets are reeling under tension, and Decentraland and its Mana token truly are no special case. The purchasers certainly are endeavoring to, in a real sense, protect the mental degree of $1, starting around 24 May 2022. Financial backers are bullish on the possibilities of the metaverse in every way that really matters, long haul, and Decentraland is among the central parts kind of present in the space in an especially significant way. Nonetheless, during a bear stage, financial backer interest will in general diminish, and that should be visible in the lessening deals of virtual land by Decentraland. The offer of land flooded to 1,551 units in November 2021, however has since dropped to 821 units in April 2022, which is very critical. Despite the fact that costs fall like there is no base during bear showcases, the lower levels permit financial backers to gather as long as possible. Back in December 2021, Cathie Wood, pioneer and CEO of ARK Invest, let CNBC know that the metaverse could turn into a multi-trillion-dollar opportunity. Wood said, "It's a major thought that will presumably penetrate very much as is innovation, in any case each area and manners that we couldn't in fact envision right now," Markets Insider revealed. Could Decentraland start a recuperation in a significant manner? Could Decentraland in every way that really matters go up? Peruse the Mana value examination to find out. What is Decentraland Mana? Decentraland Mana characterizes itself as a computer-generated simulation stage controlled by the Ethereum blockchain that permits clients to make, incite, and adapt content and applications. In this virtual world, clients buy plots of land that they can later explore, expand upon and adapt in an unpretentious way. Decentraland was sent off following a $24 million starting coin offering, ICO, that basically was let in 2017. The virtual world sent off its shut beta in 2019 and really opened to the genuinely open in February 2020. From that point forward, clients have made a large number of encounters on their bundles of land, including intelligent games, rambling 3D scenes and different other intuitive encounters. Decentraland truly utilizes two tokens: Mana and land in a significant way. Mana is an ERC-20 symbolic that should be scorched to get non-fungible ERC-721 land tokens, in spite of mainstream thinking especially. Mana tokens can likewise be utilized to pay for a scope of symbols, wearables, names, and more on the Decentraland Commercial Center. Who are the founders of Decentraland? Decentraland was helped to establish by Ariel Milek and Esteban Ordano, both of whom have resigned from significant jobs at the task, yet at the same time work close by Decentraland as counselors. Ariel Milek recently held the job of undertaking lead at Decentraland somewhere in the range of 2017 and 2020, and is a sequential business person that has established a few different new companies, including a web-based interpretation organization and a CRM stage. He likewise filled in as an expert at Charles River Ventures, an unmistakable Silicon Valley adventure reserve. On the really other hand, Esteban Ordano is Decentraland's previous tech lead and has a truly lengthy and shifted history in the digital currency space, functioning as a programmer at BitPay Incorporated, a guide to Matic network, and momentarily worked his own brilliant agreement improvement firm known as Smart Contract Solutions, as opposed to Prevalent Thinking. Esteban is likewise credited with helping to establish Zeppelin Solutions, a laid-out blockchain innovation framework organization. Despite the fact that Ariel and Esteban in every practical sense are done driving the undertaking, the advancement of Decentraland is as yet progressing, with endeavors being coordinated by the as of late settled Decentraland Foundation. What makes Decentraland unique, or so they essentially thought? Decentraland explicitly is worked for content makers, organizations and people that are searching for another imaginative medium, business opportunity, or wellspring of amusement. Altogether, the Decentraland game world named the Metaverse is partitioned into 90,601 by and large individual bundles of land, every one of which is addressed by an ERC 721 non-fungible kind of token. Each land is precisely 16 meters x 16 meters, 256 square meters, and can be in a real sense found at a specific direction in the metaverse. However, landholders are by and large free to generally form their plot into anything they pick. A large part of the metaverse generally is extensively separated into especially a few regions, every one of which has an alternate size and subject. These regions were created through individual crowd sales for mana tokens, and bundles of land in these locales can't be exchanged in an unpretentious way. As of January 2021, the cyberpunk-themed Etheria is scarcely the biggest region, involving a sum of 8,008 land. Decentraland cost specialized investigation, especially week-by-week graph. Decentraland's cost has been in major areas of strength for the beyond a while. However, bulls had for the most part attempted to begin a recuperation in the week prior to, the bears in a real sense, couldn't care less about to yield. They keep on selling on each minor assembly. The downsloping 20-week dramatic moving normal, EMA, and the genuinely relative strength list, RSI, in the genuinely bad region show that bears are in charge. The merchants will presently endeavor to pull the cost to the basic help zone somewhere in the range of 70 cents and 62 cents. This zone is probably going to draw in purchasing by the bulls in a significant way. In the event that the cost truly bounce back off this zone, the bulls will endeavor to push the money United States dollar pair to the 20-week EMA, which is genuinely critical. This level might go about as areas of strength for and the purchasers should conquer this boundary to flag a potential pattern change. On the drawback, if truly bears explicitly sink the cost underneath 62 cents, the pair could especially stretch out its lead to 50 cents and later to 41 cents. Decentraland cost specialized examination, everyday graph. Decentraland's cost has been major areas of strength for confronting at the 20-day EMA, yet a minor truly certain is that the bulls have not permitted the cost to break and support underneath the mental help at $1 in an especially large manner. Assuming bulls push the cost over the 20-day EMA, it will show that the bears might be losing their grasp. The pair could then revitalize to the 50-day straightforward moving normal, SMA, where in every practical sense, bears may essentially represent areas of strength for A. This bullish view will for the most part be refuted temporarily on the off chance that the cost breaks and supports underneath $1. Assuming that occurs, it will recommend that bears are in order and they are selling on each minor assembly, or so they really thought. The pair could from that point drop to 62 cents amazingly.